Hi, this is more or less of a feature request for subtitle edit, and the reason for this is more or less that let's say you're working in a subrip format right here. The alignment or positions that you can actually work with are kind of limited, and to bring up the alignment right here, you can just right click on a subtitle or a couple of subtitles and just click on alignment. And from here, you get this dialog box that allows you to choose alignment for your subtitles. You can choose top left. If I click on that, the subtitle goes to top left. Right click again, alignment and all that. You can now select bottom center, middle right, and all that. Let's go back to the original. And now where my request comes in. Now, this particular dialog box is really good, and I don't think this is going to be implemented, but I wish it was implemented because a couple of years ago I requested for something like this. Now, if I change the format to Advanced Substation Alpha ASSA right there, it feels like nothing has happened. But please take a note, there is a new more or less menu item that has appeared, ASSA Tools. And if I actually right click here, you can set styles, actors, and all that. So these are new things but that have come up. And previously, the ASSA tools, you'd right click here and you'd have them somewhere here. So if I click on ASSA tools and click on set position, we get something that is really good. For example, for this one, I can actually click on the subtitle and position it up there, or position it, let's say, slightly above the default, let's say somewhere there, and then click on center horizontally and then click on OK. And once I do that, that goes up there. Now, my point with, let's say, the alignment feature, which is still available in ASSA tools, if it's kind of possible to have this choosing alignment and the freestyle setting position right here for more or less other subtitle formats, even if it's like just the subrip format, like we can set position, get the alignment feature, that's okay, but also get like the positioning feature window to position, because sometimes what we kind of just want to do is create in subrip, because obviously, as you've seen with ASSA, you may need to have some styles. It changes the text here. Go to generate video with banding subtitle. You see you cannot change any of these things here, like more or less the formats right here. But in subrip, you go to video, generate video with banding subtitles. You can do a couple of changes right here. But as for the subtitle positioning, let's assume you do not want your subtitles up here or in the middle. You just wanted them,
I'll show you how to use discrete,
just slightly above where they are, without being at the middle. That is where the positioning would really come in. It's more or less of a feature request. Hopefully in future versions we can get this, because it's been implemented in Advanced Substation Alpha. It would be really awesome to see it in more or less other subtitle formats. Let's assume even if it's subrip, and then have these options as they are here, because they are really handy right there. But I wish we can get this as well, because I feel that the setting position and the alignment feature can go hand in hand right there. So those are just my thoughts, more or less a feature requests of setting position to be added more or less to kind of work together with the alignment feature. That's it for this video. I hope it's of value to you. Thanks for watching.